Is that thing on?
Maybe.
Maybe. Old lady sunglasses.
I wear them.
Oh, this is nice. Okay. So where are we going?
I'm gonna go for a little drive first.
Okay. And then how many coffees will I need?
How many ever you want.
A few moments later.
That's it?
Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married.
Feels a lot faster. Oh man. Whew. That gets the heartbeat up. Oh, okay, we'll go! Is there like a tap out thing?
Help! I'm a prisoner! I can't get out!
We all prisoners, Chicky baby.
What's the fastest you've ever gone?
No, I don't want to go that fast.
No, I was just wondering. We're not trying to break that today.
No, okay.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Maybe 140? Like that's
Miles per-
kilometers though.
okay.
Oh my god! I can't even look. Okay, I'm good now. I might have sworn that time. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. That's crazy. That's worse than like oh no, here we go again. Oh my goodness. keep it. I bet you I can fill it.